Let's make Mexican hot chocolate crinkle cookies. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. I'm using my favorite New Naturals organic Dutch cocoa powder in this recipe for rich and chocolatey cookies. Start by adding 113 grams of softened butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, and 113 grams of dark brown sugar to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Add 2 large eggs and 1 egg yolk. Last, add in 212 grams of all-purpose flour, 57 grams of Dutch cocoa powder that's been sifted, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground vanilla bean, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix on low until combined into a smooth cookie dough. I'm using New Naturals organic Dutch cocoa powder in these cookies for a rich, dark chocolate flavor. This is my absolute favorite cocoa powder that I use for everything, and I'll link it in the description. Once the cookie dough is ready, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and add 57 grams of cane sugar to a small bowl and 71 grams of powdered sugar to another small bowl. Using your hands, form the dough into 12 balls. Roll the balls in the cane sugar first, then in the powdered sugar, and place them evenly apart on the baking sheets. This is the secret to perfect crinkle cookies. Rolling the dough in the cane sugar first, then in the powdered sugar. The cane sugar helps create a barrier so the powdered sugar doesn't just melt into the cookie while it's baking. This will give you the iconic crinkle cookie with powdered sugar crinkles and no melted powdered sugar. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes or until cracked and dry around the edges. I hope you enjoyed this twist on the classic crinkle cookie as much as I do. If you want more organic cookie recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.